Hello guys, and in today's video I'll show you how to do a factory reset on your JBL Boombox free Wi-Fi. Let's get started. So, as a first step, you would need to enable your speaker, and it does not matter if it's connected via Bluetooth or not. After this, we would need to download an open application named JBL One. After you have downloaded and set up your speaker in there, click on that speaker and scroll down until you will see this tab named Product Settings. Scroll down and right here you'll be able to see this button Restore Factory Settings. Click on it and click Restore. And after this, your speaker will perform factory reset, but you would need to wait a few minutes until this indicator stops being orange. So, after the factory reset has been done, you can notice that this indicator is blinking white. Now, if you will try to connect to this speaker on Bluetooth by clicking on the My Devices JBL Boombox, it will not be able to connect it and it will suggest us to forget the device. Now, to repair the speaker to our phone, we need to click on this Bluetooth button on the top of the speaker and wait until it appears right here on the list of other devices. Click on it, and now you have successfully performed a factory reset and reconnected your speaker to your phone. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.